This color I'm gonna use for this. I have given here, then here you can able to see, I think so. This color, this color I have used, this shade. So you can see, I think this side will be visible, more visible. I'm gonna use this golden shade. You can able to see my eyeshadow. I'm using just a blue color shade. I'm using this shade. You can see what I have applied that blue color, that shade into. First, I applied the base grease color, a grease, a brown, and I applied a golden shade. Then afterwards, I'm applying blue shade. You can apply any color, whatever you need, but you should not mm, apply over the grease line. First of all, you need to apply the grease, then you have to go for the eyeshadow, whatever your color needed. It also depends upon the shade of your skin tone, and you have to select the skin color regarding your eyeshadow.